Today, I stepped into the historic heart of Gorgan, where the Bagheri Caravanserai, with its charming courtyard and stained glass orosi windows, whispers stories from the Qajar era. This place is one of the few surviving caravanserais from that time, and it still feels alive. The Bagheri Caravanserai dates back to the late Qajar period, likely around 1880. It originally served as a commercial caravanserai for travelers along the Silk Road. The architecture follows the traditional Iranian style, with a central courtyard, two-story chambers, and beautiful brick arches. It's the only historic caravanserai in Gorgan with 2 levels of rooms, reflecting the commercial prosperity of its time. The original wooden doors, the courtyard with its once refreshing pool, and the eye-catching geometric brickwork all contribute to its unique charm. The Bagheri Caravanserai stands as a living reminder of Qajar architecture in northern Iran, a rare example of an urban caravanserai as opposed to those built along trade routes. It also serves as a bridge between Gorgan's traditional architecture and its modern daily life. Isn't it wonderful when old buildings aren't just dry museums, but become part of everyday life again?